Ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face? Or how Netflix just knows what movie you want to watch next? The answer is artificial intelligence, or AI. It's one of the most talked about technologies today. But what exactly is it? Simply put, AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. We're teaching computers to learn, reason, and solve problems just like we do. It's not just about futuristic robots. It's a technology that's already shaping our world in incredible ways. So, let's pull back the curtain and explore the fascinating story of AI, from its philosophical beginnings to the powerful tool it is today. So, who gets the credit for inventing AI? Well, it wasn't a single person in a lab having a eureka moment. It was more like a slow-burning fire fueled by brilliant minds over decades. If we have to point to a foundational figure, it would be Alan Turing. Back in the 1950s, this British mathematician proposed what we now call the Turing test. The idea was simple but profound. Can a machine converse so convincingly that a human can't tell if they're talking to a person or a computer? This question laid the philosophical groundwork for the entire field. Then, a few years later, in 1956, the actual term artificial intelligence was born. A young computer scientist named John McCarthy organized a summer workshop at Dartmouth College. He brought together a group of leading researchers to brainstorm and explore the idea that every aspect of learning or any other feature of intelligence can in principle be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it. This Dartmouth conference is widely considered the official birth of AI as a field of research. So, while there's no single inventor, Turing and McCarthy are the titans on whose shoulders the entire world of AI stands. But why did these pioneers and countless others after them pour their lives into creating AI? What was the driving force? It really boils down to three core motivations. First, the ambition to solve incredibly complex problems that are beyond the scope of human calculation. Think about modeling climate change, predicting protein folding to cure diseases, or managing global logistics. These are monumental tasks where AI's ability to process vast amounts of data can provide solutions we couldn't find otherwise. The second reason is automation. From the Industrial Revolution to the digital age, we've always looked for ways to make work more efficient. AI is the next logical step. It can automate repetitive, tedious, or even dangerous tasks, freeing up human potential for more creative and strategic endeavors. This isn't about replacing humans, but about augmenting our abilities, letting us focus on what we do best: innovate, connect, and dream. And finally, there's a deeper, more philosophical driver: the quest to understand intelligence itself. By trying to build an intelligent mind from scratch, we're forced to confront fundamental questions about our own consciousness, learning processes, and what it truly means to be intelligent. It's a mirror that reflects our own cognitive architecture, helping us unravel the mysteries of the human brain. The dream of AI isn't just about building smart machines. It's about a profound journey of self-discovery. Okay, so we know the what and the why. But how does AI actually work? It can seem like magic, but it's really about clever mathematics and a lot of data. At the heart of modern AI is a concept called machine learning. Instead of programming a computer with explicit, step-by-step instructions for every possible scenario, we give it a model and a massive amount of data, and we let it learn the rules for itself. Imagine you want to teach a computer to recognize a cat. The old way would be to try and write code describing pointy ears, whiskers, a tail, and so on. That's incredibly difficult and brittle. With machine learning, you just show it thousands and thousands of pictures labeled cat. The algorithm analyzes these images and starts to figure out the common patterns and features that define a cat on its own. A popular way to do this is through what's called a neural network. This is a system inspired by the structure of the human brain. It's made up of layers of interconnected neurons or nodes. When you feed it data, like our cat pictures, the information passes through these layers. Each neuron processes a small piece of the puzzle, and by the time the data reaches the final layer, the network can make a sophisticated decision, like saying, yes, that's a cat with 98% certainty. The more data it processes, the better it gets. So AI isn't magic. It's the result of powerful algorithms learning from an enormous diet of data to see patterns we might miss. Now for the fun part. What is AI actually doing out in the real world? Its applications are exploding, and they're more integrated into our lives than you might think. Let's start with healthcare. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases like cancer from medical scans with greater accuracy and speed. It's analyzing genetic data to develop personalized medicines, and even predicting disease outbreaks before they happen. In the world of finance, AI is the unsung hero working behind the scenes. It's used in algorithmic trading to make split-second decisions and is crucial for detecting fraudulent transactions, protecting your money by spotting unusual patterns in spending. But it's not all serious business. AI is also getting creative. It's composing music, writing poetry, and generating stunning digital art. Tools like Midjourney or DeepLearning can turn a simple text prompt into a breathtaking image, opening up new frontiers for artistic expression. And of course, there's transportation. Self-driving cars use a complex suite of AI systems to perceive the world around them, identifying pedestrians, other vehicles, and traffic signs to navigate safely. From your streaming service recommendations to the smart assistant on your phone, AI is a silent partner in countless aspects of modern life. As AI becomes more powerful and widespread, we're entering a new and crucial chapter in its story, the future. And this future is filled with both incredible potential and serious ethical questions we need to address. We're talking about things like data privacy. AI models are hungry for data. But how do we ensure our personal information is used responsibly and protected? Then there's the issue of bias. If an AI is trained on biased data, it will produce biased results, which could lead to unfair outcomes in things like hiring or loan applications. We have a responsibility to build AI systems that are fair, transparent, and accountable. Looking further ahead, there's the concept of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This is the holy grail for many AI researchers. It refers to a hypothetical AI that could understand, learn, and apply its intelligence to solve any problem a human being can. We're not there yet. Today's AI is highly specialized, but the prospect of AGI raises profound questions about our place in the universe and the future of humanity itself. The journey ahead requires not just brilliant engineers, but also thoughtful ethicists, policymakers, and an engaged public to steer this technology toward a future that benefits everyone. So, after this journey from the Turing test to self-driving cars, what's the big takeaway? AI is not an impending robot takeover from a sci-fi movie. It's a tool, a profoundly powerful and transformative tool, but a tool nonetheless. Just like the printing press amplified our ability to share knowledge, and the internet amplified our ability to connect, AI is set to amplify human potential. It's a collaborator that can help us solve some of the world's biggest challenges, from curing diseases to combating climate change. It's a creative partner that can unlock new forms of art and expression. The future isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans with machines. Our challenge and our opportunity is to guide its development wisely, ensuring that we build a future where AI serves to enhance our intelligence, our creativity, and our humanity. The story of AI is still being written, and we are all co-authors. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this journey into the world of AI interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology that is shaping our future. See you in the next video.